let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. We are given 3 over 8 into 3x plus 5 equal to 8x minus 15. And we are expected to find the value of x. If you want to solve this question, the first thing you need to do is to clear out this fraction. That's the first thing you need to do. Now the question is, how do you clear out the fraction? It's very simple. What you have to do is, you have to multiply all through by this 8. Because we have 8 as the denominator here, you are going to multiply all through by this 8. Supposedly we have something like 5 here. We would have multiplied all through by 5. But because in this question, we have 8 here as the denominator of the fraction, we are going to multiply all through by 8. That's our first approach. So this is the solution. We write down what we have: 3 over 8 into 3x plus 5. Then we multiply that by 8. Remember, we are multiplying all through by 8. Equal to 8x times 8. Then minus 5 times that same 8. Now, on the left hand side, this 8 here will cancel this 8. And we are left with 3 into 3x plus 5. Then equal to 8x times 8 will give us 64x. Then we bring down this minus sign. 5 times 40. 5 times 8 will give us 40. So now, let us open the bracket. We are going to use this 3 to multiply each of these terms. 3 times 3x will give us 9x. Then 3 times plus 5 will give us plus 15. Equal to 64x minus 40. The next thing to do is to collect like terms. What I mean by collecting like terms is that anyone that has x, we are going to take them to one side of the equation. The ones that don't have x will go to the other side of the equation. So this is 9x, we write it down. This 64 has x attached to it, so we have to bring it to this side so that it will meet this 9x. We have negative, it becomes negative 64x. Anytime a quantity is crossing equality sign, the sign will change. This is positive 64x. When it crosses, it changes to negative 64x. Then equal to this negative 40 here. Now this one here, this positive 15 will cross over to this side to meet this negative 40. When it does that, this number will change from positive to negative. So it becomes negative 15. 9x minus 64x, that will give us negative 55x. Then equal to negative 40, negative 15. That will give us negative 55 as well. Now the next thing to do is to divide both sides by this negative 55 that is attached to this x. Why? Because we are looking for x, not negative 55x. So we divide by this negative 55 and also divide this by negative 55. This negative sign will cancel this negative sign. 55 will cancel 55 and we have only x here, equal to negative here will cancel negative. 55 divided by 55 is 1, and this is the answer to this question.